Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting a Meet link now. Open Meet. Google.com or use Google Calendar to schedule. Sign in so Meet can attach the link to your calendar event. Once done, pick whether you need an instant room or a scheduled meeting, set date and time, add guests, and control guest privileges. This first step creates the unique meeting code and URL. Make sure notifications and calendar syncing are enabled so participants receive the link automatically. Next, customize the meeting link and settings to match your needs. In Calendar, open the event and click Add Google Meet, then copy the link and paste it into invites or a chat. Adjust host controls so only you can present or mute participants. This reduces interruptions. If needed, enable recording and assign co-hosts so someone else can manage the session. Once configured, save changes so the final link reflects all permissions and extras. Finish by sharing and verifying the link. Send it via calendar invite, email, or chat, and include dial-in numbers and the correct time zone so attendees join on time. Before the meeting, test the link from an incognito window or a colleague's account to confirm guest access and permissions. If people can't join, regenerate the Meet link or change host restrictions. That usually resolves domain or permission conflicts quickly. Lastly, keep a backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.